Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class.
So here we go, children. We are at page number 36. This is page number 36 of your book. We are going to do this question today. And the question is, tick the correct word. Okay. Two words are given in color. Red color you can see. It is given in bracket. One is correct and the other one is wrong. So we have to tick the correct one. Okay, let's see the first one. The earth is dash in shape. What we have to write in dash? Round, square. So the earth is round in shape or the earth is square in shape. So what is the correct answer? Round or square? Which one we have to tick?
So the correct option is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. And we are going to tick on round. Have a look at the second one. We can dash air.
So the correct option is feel. We are going to tick the word feel. We can feel air. As for now, children, air is all around us, but we cannot see it. We can feel it when it moves. Okay? So the correct option is feel. We can feel air. So tick the word F-E-E-L, feel. Okay? Come to the third one. Deserts are dash areas covered in sand. So what it can be? Deserts are dry areas covered in sand or deserts are wet areas covered in sand. What can be the correct option? Dry or wet? So remember what we have done in the chapter. Deserts are what type of areas it is? Dry or wet? What is the correct option? So the correct option is D-R-Y, dry. Tick the word dry. Deserts are dry areas covered in sand. Okay, let's see the fourth one. Plains are dash areas of land. What can be the answer? Plains are high areas of land or plains are flat areas of land. What is the correct option? High or flat? The correct option is flat. F-L-A-T, flat. Plains are flat areas of land. I repeat, plains are flat areas of land. And what are the high areas called? Higher areas are called mountains or hills. You remember? And the flat ones are called plains. So our correct option is flat. Plains are flat areas of land. Now come to the fifth one. Dash clouds bring rain. And in the bracket it is written white, dark. So you remember, children, we have done in the chapter. What kind of clouds bring rain? Is it white clouds or dark clouds? So what can be the correct option? White clouds bring rain or dark clouds bring rain? Which one is the correct answer? White or dark? So the correct option is dark. D-A-R-K, dark. We are going to take this word D-A-R-K, dark. Dark clouds bring rain. Okay? Okay, let's go through all the sentences once again, children. The earth is round in shape. I repeat. Everyone will repeat after me, okay? The earth is round in shape. Second one, we can feel air. We can feel air. F-E-E-L, feel. Come to the third one. Deserts are dry areas covered in sand. Once again, deserts are dry areas covered in sand. And the fourth one is plains are flat areas of land. Plains are flat areas of land. F-L-A-T, flat. Fifth one, that is the last one. Dark clouds bring rain. D-A-R-K, dark. Here D is capital, children, because it is the first letter of the sentence. Okay, this is the first word of the sentence and D is the first letter, so D is written capital here. D-A-R-K, dark. Dark clouds bring rain. Okay, let's see the next question as well. Write two things you can see in the sky in the morning and two things you can see at night. So here two things are given, in the morning and the other one is at night. So here we have to write two things which we can see in the morning, and this side you have to write two things that you can see only at night. Okay, and what can be the answer? So first we take in the morning. Number one, we can write here clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Okay, we can see clouds in the morning in the sky. Okay, it can be either white clouds or black clouds, that is white or dark. Okay, either clouds it can be, but we can see the clouds in the sky in the morning, that is during the daytime. Now what can we write in number 2? So we are going to write here sun, S-U-N, sun. We can see the sun during the daytime, that is in the morning. So the answer is in the morning we can see the clouds and sun. Okay, write the S capital for sun. Okay children, because sun is only one, which is a proper noun, so we are going to write the S capital here. Now come to the second part. At night, what can we see in the sky at night? So we are going to write here moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Okay, so the first one is moon. At night we can see the moon in the sky. Now what should I write in the second one? Stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars. We are going to write S at the last because there are many stars in the sky. So we can see moon and stars at night in the sky. Okay, let's go through it once again children. Write two things you can see in the sky in the morning and two things you can see at night. So in the morning, what can we see? In the sky, clouds and sun. Okay, and at night we can see the moon and the stars in the sky during the night time. Okay, so this is all for today children. Thank you.